Somalia President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud has been busy traveling throughout the region. His latest stop was Djibouti, where he spent Saturday and Sunday. Welcomed by President Omar Gele, the two leaders held talks on strengthening ties. The host threw a banquet for Mohamud and presented him with his country's highest Medal of Honor. This was declared to be for promoting cooperation between the nations. The two presidents appeared to be good friends during Mohamud's first term. In 2018, while out of power, the Somali leader sided with Djibouti in a dispute with Eritrea.
taariikha naga dhaxayso dhaqana naga dhaxeeyo diina naga dhaxayso dadnimo ama maxuu ahay cirqiga naga dhaxeeya waxaasi markaa wax oo ama siyaasada ay kala reebi karto ama xuduudo ay kala reebi karaan ama laba calan inaan kala leenahay ay kala reebi karto ma aha dalkan anigoo aan madaxweyne ahayn oo aan siyaasadna ku jirin kuna fakarayn xataa inaan siyaasadda gala ayaan imaan jiray anoo madaxweyne aan hore waan u imiday kadibna anoon madaxweyne ahayn aan imiday haddana anoo madaxweyne aan haddana ku soo laabtay.
The regime of former President Mohamed had threatened sanctions against its neighbor over a border disagreement with Asmara. Championing neighborly relations, Mohamud then told Somalia not to forget the sacrifices Djibouti had made on its behalf. He repeated some of those sentiments in an address to his host's legislature. At a press conference, the Somali leader pressed a common theme in his recent visits with African neighbors.
dadweynaha af Soomaaliga ku hadlaya oo dhan inay u tabiyaan waxa aan qabanayno socdaalkani macnihiisa qasab bay nagu tahay siyaasiyiin haddaan nahay inaan ka jawaabno su'aalo wixii ay mugdi kaga jiro dadka ku saabsan socdaalkeena socdaalka madaxweynaha iyo xaaladda geeska haddii loo baahdo.
Today, the world is inseparable. Therefore, Somalia and Djibouti are located together in the Horn of Africa, where there are many opportunities, circumstances, and challenges. Since the region is strategic and important to the rest of the world, we must jointly decide how to share with other neighboring countries, taking advantage of our resources and active people from around the world. During the Farmajo administration, the relationship hit a two-decade low due to two incidents. Mogadishu accused Djiboutian members of the Intergovernmental Agency on Development, IGAD, of siding with Kenya. That resulted from an IGAD fact-finding mission to Jubaland that found Nairobi was not aiding rogue security forces. Farmajo also accused Gele's government of arresting crony Fahad Yassin. Yassin claims there was a conspiracy to disappear him.
siiyay waxay ahayday Djibouti iyo Soomaaliya labada jamhuuriyadood iyo labada shacabba waxa ka dhaxeeya waxaan birina goyn biyana aanay meerin.
The current Somali leader's bid to reset relations appears on the right track. The applause received at the parliament indicate that Djibouti is ready to once again be a key ally in Mogadishu's political, security, and economic development. ADN TV will continue to report on diplomatic developments across Africa.